Welcome back to Wooden Shoe Motorsports. And on this episode, we go back to an oldie but goodie. You guys just can't let me film in peace, can you? So as you can see, we got the new motor all ready to go in. Here's Dirk to tell you a little bit about this motor and what we got in it.
So what we have here is a 548 cubic inch big block Chevy with a set of Dragon Slayer cylinder heads. It's got 2 inch intake valves, forget what the valves are, a whole lot of lift, duration, almost 6:1 compression ratio, and we got a vacuum pump, high power alternator, 4 1/4 stroke crank, cranks for rods and an MSD ignition system to top it off. Like I just read a released email from a certain politician that's been redacted. Sorry, we can't tell you everything because, well, we like to keep some secrets.
So this one's real easy. Stick giant motor into big pull truck and go.
Dirk, don't forget your safety squints.
Well, that only took a whopping 35 seconds. I don't know what's wrong with you professionals. But she's in. We had to make a couple of custom modifications to that cross member to fit the new oil pan.
Dirk, don't forget your safety squints.
All right, enough screwing around. Here it is.
Try it again.